Today we'll be going over how to order course materials. Welcome to Academians Bookstore, the on-campus bookstore located in the campus center. Academians has everything from school spirit gear to everyday essentials and most importantly, course materials. The course materials that can be found at Academians Bookstore include both new and used materials that can be purchased and or rented. Ebooks and digital materials are also available to be purchased and or rented based on availability. The first step in ordering course materials is to visit albany.edu/myualbany and log in with your net ID and password. Then click on the registration tab followed by My Class Schedule. Then you'll choose your term. Next, you'll select View/Buy Books. Once you select View/Buy Books, your course material list will appear in a new tab. Your class schedule will populate with what is required and recommended for each class. Remember, you will need a credit card to secure your rental when ordering online. If you prefer to purchase in-store, bring your syllabus to the counter in the back of Academians Bookstore and they will be able to find or order your books for you. Need cash now? Campus Gold might be right for you. Campus Gold is an advance of up to $650 for all students to purchase textbooks and supplies on campus while waiting to secure financial aid or other funding options. For more information, scan the QR code below. If you're ready to request funds, visit ualbanyid.com or head to the Seaboard Mobile ID app. And that's it! To check out the textbook rental frequently asked questions, scan the QR code below. For important updates on non-academic information, be sure to follow UAS on social media at UAS Albany.